So in this part we will understand how to integrate using parts. Means in this session you will be having two functions. Okay, two functions in product and you are supposed to integrate them. So how we will do it? Look at here. So the formula is this: first function integration of second function. You have to repeat a lot. Okay, you have to focus on the words. Don't use uv. Okay, just go with the words. First function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function integration of second function. Okay, so this is the formula for uv function which has to be integrated. Correct? Now you have to memorize this statement. Okay, so the statement is first function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function integration of second function. So just keep on repeating this statement a lot. Okay, now how will you decide that which function has to be taken first, which function has to be taken next? So you will be taking help of the word ILATE, ILATE. So what is this I stands for? Inverse, inverse, then logarithmic, then algebraic, then trigonometric, and then exponential. Okay, means you are like, suppose that they have given you combination of inverse and logarithmic, so you will consider inverse function as the first function and then logarithmic function as the second function, and so on so forth. Also you have to memorize this note. Sometimes it will become very difficult to think about what I should take as the first function and second function. So you know that you guys have studied differentiation first and then you guys are studying integration. So if I'll ask you to choose between differentiation and integration, hopefully you will be choosing differentiation. Correct, na? Which is like, because you guys have good amount of experience in solving those questions. So what you have to do, you will take first function as that function, you will take first function whose differentiation is easy. Okay, now so you will take first function as that function whose integration differentiation is easy. And sometimes what will happen, no, you may say that, sir, when I will deal with algebraic function and exponential function, I am comfortable with both. For both of them differentiation becomes easy. So look, your first filter always be this thing. So first filter is this, and suppose you are not able to apply that, you will be applying the second filter. Okay, so based on first filter you have to decide, and this thing you will be using rarely, but it is very much helpful. Okay, this is way more important than anything else. So which function will be taken as the first function whose differentiation is easy? I hope the idea is clear, and when you guys will have these kind of situations, you guys can implement those ideas. Okay.